I know I create a lot of videos talking about how to knock the credit bills out, to remove that collection, that charge off, that bankruptcy, that eviction, those student loans, child support, late payments, whatever you have going on. I know I create a lot of videos, but I want to talk about what to do once you fix your credit so you can invest and actually grow your bank account, all right? But there are things that are required first before you actually do that. And first things first, you need a plan, all right? Because there are so many opportunities, there's so many things out there, but you need to be focused, planning on what you got to do to once you fix your credit. What are your plans? All right, so let me know in the comments, what are your plans? Are you trying to fix your credit to get into real estate? Are you trying to fix your credit to get into the trucking company? Are you trying to fix your credit to get into the car rental business? Why are you trying to fix your credit? Because once you understand why you're trying to fix your credit, now you can come up with the game plan, and we can create tutorial videos based off of the things that you're trying to do, or bring people on here that already been through what you're trying to go through. What you're trying to do, so you can, skip the curve, like trying to figure it out. We can bring the experts that already been there, done that we trust to help you and guide you through that process. All right. So just let me know in the comments, what are your plans, what you're trying to do, so we can help you. You already know we create the videos to help you knock the credit bills out. Now let's talk about how to actually leverage your credit. All right. But if you're trying to leverage your credit, I want you to understand this. You don't need all 3 credit scores to actually leverage your credit. You just need one, because there are banks that only pull from Experian. There are banks that only pull from TransUnion. There are banks that only pull from Equifax, all right? But before you actually, set up an account with a bank, what you want to do first is create a LLC, all right? Very important, all right? Now, if you don't want to, get your LLC, just start with a personal, but I advise you to create the LLC first, all right? Now, once you have your LLC, you do want to properly structure this LLC. You do want to have, a business address. You do want to have a 1-800 number. You do want to have certain things. You do want to look it up. You do want to look your name up first to see if it's already taken or not. All right, you want to set all those things up, but you don't want to have a high risk name. All right, so you want to make it general. So just use your initials. For example, for example, Dave Cousins. So it'd be DC Enterprise. All right. So for you, your initials, Enterprise, is something simple. All right. So once you create your LLC, now what you want to do is look for a credit union in your area, all right? And you want to go create a new relationship with a new bank, all right? Not the old bank, a new bank. You want to set new things up, all right? And go in and have a conversation with them, all right? Because, we're people, we like talking, we like communicating, all right? So go have a conversation. And once you have this conversation, you can ask specific things, because they're going to tell you who they pull from, what they have available, what type of products, all right? So create that relationship first. Now, once you create that relationship, you just want to start with something simple to build that relationship up with them, all right? So let's just say you can get a $200 secured loan. They do no credit check, all right? Now, once you have that, you're fixing your credit, right? You're doing the different strategies to fix your credit. If you're not in the free community, the free credit hacking community, jump in. We're teaching you how to fix your credit step by step, because there are so many YouTube videos, and that YouTube is going to show you, and you probably don't know what to do, stuck or confused about the process. So we want to have a step. I laid it out. Day 1, do this. Day 2, do this. Day 3. All right. It's free. Click the link in the comments. Click the link in the description. Go sign up. All right. But once you fix your credit, like I said, you don't need all 3 credit scores. But guess what? You're building a relationship with the bank, and you're also building up your credit profile by getting this $200 secured loan, or whatever $100, whatever you can do. All right. Depending on what they have available, just ask. All right. Ask. What do you have for credit builder accounts? Like I said, credit unions are really good with specific credit builder accounts. So ask, all right, go in there, ask them, schedule appointment. And then once you have that specific credit builder account, and you're leveraging that, once your credit score is good enough, all right, then you can invest into a business credit card. But you want to get a business credit card that's 0% interest for the next 12 to 24 months, depending on what they have available, all right? Now, once you get this business credit card, you can either invest that business credit card into marketing and use that, to get more eyes on what you have going on with the business that you're currently running, so you can either sell more of your services, more of your digital products, more of whatever whatever you have going on, all right? Or you can leverage that business credit card to either invest into, let's just say, a car rental, like a car to put out on the road to make you money. Or if you're into the drop shipping, or if you're into the trucking, depending on what you're into. That's why I actually like, what are you fixing your credit to actually do, all right? Because like I said before, we can create the videos that's gonna walk you step by step by step on how to create your LLC, on how to get the bank account, on how to do certain things. So you just gotta figure out what you plan on doing once you get the business credit card, all right? Because you just don't wanna, get the business credit and don't have a plan, all right? So once you get the business credit card, right, then you can invest into the things that you're trying to do, so you can actually grow your income and continue making money, day after day after day, month after month after month, all right? So that's the plan, all right? So like I said, drop in the comments, like, what are you trying to do once you get your credit score right, all right? Very important.